Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Aries. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, these cards are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have mountain, clover and bear. So Aries, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your personal life, in your relationship, you have a lot of challenges you need to overcome, guys. Situation is quite difficult and you are putting in a lot of efforts, trying your best, making great efforts today, and these obstacles may be quite challenging and you need to overcome these obstacles if you want to make some progress in your situation. So for some of you it may be physical obstacles or it may be emotional obstacles that you are seeing today, guys. Physical obstacles may be in your work, maybe some project delays or suspensions, or something may not go as expected. Some decisions may go wrong. So some kind of difficulty in your career situation, guys, Aries. Or for some of you it may be some challenges you need to face. Maybe you are doing so much but you still in your circumstance you may not see a positive change, and that may be the reason you feel really stressed or anxious, desperate. In some ways you want to change your circumstances but you feel you are helpless to do that, and maybe there are people trying to give you ideas or suggestions on something important, and it is quite for some of you, you may feel that it is quite irritating because this person is trying to control you in some ways, control your decisions or control your actions, and you do not like it. And it may be this person you are in love with, maybe they are trying to dominate you in some ways, maybe trying to help you, Aries, but for some of you they are truly concerned about you. That may be the reason for their help or advice, but you feel that you cannot listen to them or you cannot follow their ideas and suggestions. But Aries, we also have this card here. This is a very positive card, guys, Aries. So maybe for some of you, you are getting a good news, a very positive news, or some kind of rare opportunity coming your way. Maybe in your relationship, maybe you may see a lot of troubles, maybe some misunderstandings, some arguments or fights, but good luck is going to come to you. It's going to knock you, and when it comes you need to make use of it immediately, guys. Grab that opportunity and see huge changes in your life, because this opportunity is not going to last forever. So you need to grab that luck when it reaches you, guys. And maybe today it may be a lucky circumstance coming towards you, or luck in the form of peace of mind or happiness and harmony in your circumstances, guys, Aries. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, we have bouquet. Again, a very positive card here, guys. So, some kind of clarity and understanding is what you are getting today, guys. So, we had a few negative energy with the previous cards. So, whatever it was, whatever challenging situation you were in, Aries, all that is going to resolve, and you will find clarity, and those difficulties are ending very soon, guys, in your circumstances, and you are going to feel gratitude, confidence, and you will have clarity in your circumstances. And in this relationship, you are going to see intimacy, harmony, and contentment in this relationship with this person you love. So, things are falling into place for you all, guys, Aries. In your career situation, guys, we have Fox. So, looks like there are difficult circumstances in your work situation. Maybe there is a person who's trying to deceive you, maybe because they want to use you in some ways, use your skills and talents. So if you know who it is, or if you know what a circumstance it may be, you need to try to avoid it, guys, Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is your first card. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, Snow White and Rose Red, Sister Love. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe you have a very loving and caring family and people who trust you, people who are truly concerned about you, and you need to appreciate the things in your life, guys. Maybe this family, the people you have, and the blessings you have. When you appreciate the blessings you have already, and when you are happy for whatever is there with you, you are going to have that peace, happiness and contentment in your heart, and that happiness is going to radiate in all the facets of your life. So when you are feeling really blessed for this friendship you have with the people you love, maybe your parents, sibling or friends, or it may be even people in your work, the friendship you have, and when you find that happiness with them, when you try to find the blessing in any situation, just like finding the gem in the dirt and a star in the dark night. So whatever good quality these people have, or whatever goodness you feel from them, when you appreciate that, you are going to be more stronger, you are going to feel more strengthened. And maybe each and every one of us, we have the darker aspects of human nature and the brighter aspects. We have the negative things like anger and resentment inside us, but we should not reject that, guys. We must just accept it with honesty. When we do that, we are going to see so much happiness and abundance flowing in our situation. and we are going to strengthen the bond we have with the people we love. And the way we are cheerful, the way we are happy with the things we have today. Maybe appreciate the blessings that we have. Many more blessings are or will flow towards us, guys, when we are happy for what we have today. And when we are doing good, we are only getting goodness back to us. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So for those who chose the second card, this card, let's see what it is. And it is bronzite. So it is a crystal spirit card, guys. So maybe in your circumstances, maybe in this relationship, you were betrayed in the past and it was too much for you to handle, a lot of pain, a lot of sadness. But this crystal spirit reminds you that you can be much more wiser, you can be much more stronger today by extending trust once again, maybe in this relationship. But it may be quite challenging based on your past experience. You feel that you cannot trust anyone. But this crystal spirit cards tell you that you need to be really mindful of the signs. Maybe sometimes you may see sign for you to move back in a relationship, maybe take a step back and nurture yourself. When you see that, you must do that. But this card asks you to trust this person again, maybe give them another chance. It may be the past person or it may be this present person. So your past should not change the way you are seeing your present love, your present situation. So you need to be true to yourself, true, honest to yourself first. So what you truly feel in your heart of hearts. When you do that, you are going to be honest with that other person. And when you build that loving relationship with yourself, you will be able to build that loving and respectful relationship with another person. And remember, guys, you are always protected when you are divinely directed. So you must do the right thing you feel deep down in your heart. So whatever you feel is the honest choice or that honest decision, you must stand for that, guys. So your loyalty and steadfastness is what will be rewarded by the universe. So universe is here to guide you if you are really truthful. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you guys. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.